Okay, so good morning guys. This is Normina Sky TV, your furry male content creator, here for the quick update on Tech Hive. So I'm going to show you guys my earnings on Tech Hive today. I'm just what do you call this? I'm just excited to show you this because this didn't happen to me in the past few days. As you can see, there's a claim button here. Yeah.
Say, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
So I'm gonna try to claim it. I'm torn between clicking it or not because if I click it, I'm thinking it might claim this 42.99 on the daily rate, so I will not maximize my profit on the daily mining if I click this. But I also want to click it because it's saying pending rewards over here 225. So if ever I'm going to click this, it should be going here to my wallet, right?
Are you sure about that?
So let's try it. Hopefully it does go here. It doesn't. Please don't involve this one. Here we go. It's confirming in my wallet. Confirm. Transaction was submitted. Okay, back home. Oh yeah. So it did. Oh yeah. Now that's I knew it. I really knew it. It would happen. Yes, you can see my daily limit. Oh my god. Well, it is what it is. We cannot do anything about it, but yeah. At least we claim it. But we didn't maximize our profit over there, so yeah. It's still good, by the way. It's still good, by the way. So, we know it does that when we claim it. Okay, so another topic. Many of you in the community, you keep on asking how to import the tokens, how to put it to your wallet, how to do it on your phones, how to do it. So, for me, what I did is I just connected my wallet here. I just connected this. It is my MetaMask wallet. I just connected it. After that, first time you connected it, it won't show like this. No, it won't show like this. It has a word here, the word import. Now, all you have to do is click that import word. Once you click that import, all you have to do is accept it, and it will automatically import those token addresses, this Tech Hive coin and this Tech Hive token automatically to your wallet. You can do it manually. You can enter the CA address for it. So it's much more convenient to do it like this rather than inputting it individually, right? So that's all for today, guys. I just want you to show this I'm claiming the rewards. So hopefully you guys join me on this venture of this project, and see you soon on the another video, guys. Bye bye.